Hello and welcome to this video, all my male friends. Today I am here to truly help you guys out. You see, guys, as you reach a certain age, of course, you start to realize you might be struggling with prostate issues. Probably you're waking up in the middle of the night to go urinate, but once you get there, it's just those drips or nothing at all. Sometimes it hurts. You totally lose your passion, to have those steamy nights with your partner. And let's face it, prostate related issues gives you all of that. Basically, it messes about with your hormones, your self esteem, with your life, right? So, yes, some men don't like to talk about prostate related issues, but it is an important subject. And I'm not here to talk to you about your problems, which I'm pretty sure you already know about them. I'm here to talk to you about a solution, which is called the Men Balance Pro. Now, Men Balance Pro was created for men who are struggling with these issues, whether you are in the beginning of your problem, already in the middle of it, you are going to have to give this a shot because, guys, this helps you in so many ways. Now, before we move on, I will be leaving Men Balance Pro's official webpage link just down here in the description box of this video, because over there, you check out more details about it, you check out the money back guarantee situation, you get to see what other men are saying about this supplement, and so much more. So yeah, pop over there afterwards, okay? But guys, it's like this. Men Balance Pro was created with natural ingredients thinking towards men's health, okay? So these natural botanicals are vitamins, the right antioxidants, the right anti-inflammatories, and nutrients, all put together to help you guys out. So with Men Balance Pro, not only are you going to be experiencing a reversing effect, basically you're going to set back that spark in your life. You're going to be in control again. You're going to be able to sleep full nights and wake up the next day feeling recharged, having more energy, and you're going to see as your prostate issues are going to be going away, okay? So Men Balance Pro is a really great dietary supplement made with only natural ingredients, no stimulants, no GMOs. Basically, it doesn't give you side effects, okay? And there are no contraindications to it as well. So with Men Balance Pro, men who have been giving this a shot are experiencing steadier energy, better prostate. They are also experiencing better urinary tract systems, meaning that you are going to the toilet, normally, not waking up in the middle of the night or not having to go really to the bathroom and getting there and not doing anything. So it's going to help you with that as well. Now, the cool thing about Men Balance Pro is that the treatment can be done for 3 months or 6 months. Of course, 6 months is the full treatment, which is the best one for you to be doing because it gives time for your bodies to adapt to it and really get the results in there. And also, guys, men who have been using Men Balance Pro are seeing how this is also helping them have steadier moods, not that person who's always grumpy and frustrated due to your prostate issues. So if you want to get to know more about the Men Balance Pro, that is a link for you guys to be going to, okay? Hope you give this a shot. You are not going to regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.